Hey guys, so today we're gonna be sorry, I'm a little sick, but today we're gonna be doing how to make an LPS plant. So first you need to get a cup of coffee, well, half a cup, and it has to look like dirt. See how it looks like dirt? But yeah. I don't like coffee, but I use my mom's coffee. Ask permission before you do this, okay? And you can come back and do this when you ask your mom, okay? So, yeah. So, this is very easy, but yeah. So first, I need to find something green. Grass. I'm gonna go get a bow to make it look cute. But yeah, I'll be right back. God. What happened? You okay? Those are my cats, but yeah. I hope they're okay. They're walking, but they're good. There's one named Bellina, one named Princess Penelope, and then the other one named Oreo Cookie. But yeah, I have 3 cats and 1 dog named Cinnamon Cheese Steaks. Ow! Ow! You can hear them meowing. They're in heat right now, but yeah. Wow. Shut up. Well, yeah. Not that good at those. Oops. Don't make the same mistake as me. Maybe you should put the bow on before you put the dirt in. Well, yeah. Okay. But yeah. Well, there you have it. Maybe I should take it off. Maybe you should keep it on if you're good at bows. But yeah. Well, now we're gonna put some flowers in there, and it's gonna look adorable. Maybe this, and that. Seriously. And there you have it. You have your cute little plant. There it is. You can use whatever you want, but I'm using that. But yeah. So yeah. Anyways, yeah. You can get a few little pet shops, 1 or 2. They knocked it over. Well, or maybe 3, but there you have it. Some of these are fake. I don't have that many. Well, like and subscribe. Bye.